Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Emily Salvador Go. I am 36 years old and currently living here in the Philippines. I'm a college degree holder with a bachelor degree of Business and Financial Management. I am a single mom with two daughters. One is 15 years old and the other one is 17 years old. I am a Catholic. Before, I am an ex-abroad in Macau. I worked there for almost 8 years. My first job there was a cleaner in a hotel and casino, the Galaxy in Taipa. I worked there as a cleaner in 2014 to 2019. I clean toilet, assist the guests, sweep the floor, wash the floor, use the vacuum and the single dish. Then after that, I finish contract, I find another job in Macau. As 2019 to 2022, I became a cleaner and teacher assistant in a school kindergarten of Sacred Heart Canusian College in Macau. I worked there as assistant of the teacher to assist the student in every day. Every day I help the student to feed them, to let them sleep, then play with them, assist with the teacher and the parents of the kids, then prepare food for them. And after that, in 2022, I returned home here in the Philippines. Right now, I am currently employed in my boss as a elderly caregiver. She is a woman, a 86 years old woman. Every day I assist her in everyday routine, like changing diapers, going to the toilet, preparing food for her, and going somewhere where she can go exercise. I know how to cook Asian food and like Filipino dishes. I also love pets also. Here at my boss, we have 3 cats and 3 dogs. And now, I'm currently looking for a job for as a domestic helper there in Hong Kong, hoping that you can choose me and find my better future with you and your family. I want to go abroad again, of course, to help my family, to support my kids and my mother. Hope we can talk and share all my experiences and knowledge to all of you. Thank you and have a nice day.